what time it is?
It's time for Weekly Update!
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of August 26, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. School is closed on September 5th for Labor Day. September 26th is a fall holiday. School is closed. October 5th is also a fall holiday, and school is also closed. October 14th is a teacher workday. No school for students, but school is open for teachers. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello PBMA family. I just wanted to say that I'm thankful for this family. We appreciate everyone's support last week to keep safety our #1 priority. Communication is always important through email or text with any questions or concerns. Mrs. Cooper is a great person to point you in the right direction. I also wanted to say I was thankful to be back at school together on Monday because we had our NET assembly promoting the growth mindset in all areas of learning at the elementary campus. The kids and staff enjoyed Ned's message to never give up, encourage others, and do our best. This is a positive message of encouragement that we all need to hear and do at school, home, and in our country.
The books have arrived for the Elementary Media Center. Thank you to everyone who helped us shelve the books. The town of Lantana is having a beach cleanup event. The beach cleanup is on September 17th from 8:30 a.m. till 10 o'clock a.m. If your family is interested in participating, please send me an email. Gloves and bags will be provided, but spots are limited. The elementary campus has an exciting opportunity to help NASA with research about growing food on the moon. 4th and 5th graders will be participating in the Plant the Moon Challenge this spring. Please send in 2-liter soda bottles to school for our STEM class to create bottle rockets. Mr. Albano is teaching a TV production class. Let's hear all about it.
Hi, my name is Mr. Albano, and this year I get to teach video production. I'm super excited to teach this class because it's something I'm very passionate about. And if I'm passionate about it, I get to bring that passion to my students, and hopefully some of them will be able to gain the same passion that I have for video production and bring it into their lives. It'll also help them with their photography skills as well as video, so it's not just in one broad thing with video. It'll also help with photography and also photography using cameras on their cell phones. So it covers a lot of different things, and I'm really excited about the class.
Here's a message from Miss Sally.
Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and to make healthy choices. My name is Sally Dorpfeld, and I'm the licensed mental health counselor here for Palm Beach Maritime Academy Secondary Campus, grades 6 through 12. As the mental health counselor professional, I participate in evaluation and assessments designed to identify risk for individual students in the areas of mental or behavioral health needs, or special needs where a student may otherwise be at risk or in crisis. My position assists in the school district's implementation and administration of the Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School Public Safety Act, and my responsibilities include safety in school, and assisting with crisis intervention services as part of the crisis response team, evaluation and assessments to identify the needs of students in the areas of mental behavioral health or for special needs of students who may otherwise be at risk, in crisis, or potential crisis. I provide in-service training to teachers and educators on topics relative to working with and supporting the needs of at-risk children, on how to help an adolescent who is experiencing a mental health or addictions challenge or is otherwise in crisis. I assist with the coordination of students entering and exiting mental and behavioral health recovery centers and programs. I participate in the effective monitoring of the reintegration process into school-based activities and functions to ensure student and family needs are identified and addressed. I also act as a liaison between families and community agencies when needed, thereby ensuring the effective coordination of school services with those of the support agency as needed. Finally, I collect, track, and compile and assemble data for purposes of analysis, identifying opportunities for process improvement and compliance reporting to the district. I perform other duties as assigned by the administration. I have 2 clubs that I'm also going to be heading this year that I'm very excited about. One, of course, is Steve's Club, which is the grief loss support group for students that have lost a parent, caregiver, or immediate family member only. Last year was the first year of the group. This group was held on Wednesdays during 7th period for the students. If anyone's interested in signing up, you can send an email to Sally Dorpfeld at pbmalantana.org. It's S. Dorpfeld. The second club is Psychology Club for high school students. This will be an academic club with peer leaders, a president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer. We would meet after school 1 day a week or every other week as determined by the students and staff. We would learn about and discuss topics such as different types of psychology, personality disorders, nature versus nurture, argumentative essay writing, APA writing style, and child mental health disorders. We would discuss the DSM research and psychological testing and research and discussion, substance use disorders, masking mental health disorders, psychopharmacology, which is the effects of drugs, illegal or legal, on the brain and body, and healthy relationships, how exercise improves our mood, and any careers that would be in psychology. Possible activities could be having guest speakers in the field come and talk to the students, making DIY stress balls, research theories and psychologists that wrote them, volunteer hours for beach cleanup, community service hours for the students that need, possible tour to a mental health clinic, painting for mental health, making a sensory booth to share with students at the school, showing different textures, and to design a club t-shirt. Thanks, everyone. Have a great week.
Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.